welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the AQA GCSE past paper. This is the November 2017 first paper in the foundation tier of the 8300 series. It's a non-calculator paper and we're picking up in question 23, which reads, Anil's home is 1 kilometre from a shop. He walked from home to the shop at a constant speed in 10 minutes. He stayed at the shop for 5 minutes. He walked home at a constant speed in 8 minutes. Anil drew this distance time graph to represent his journey. That doesn't look right. Make 2 criticisms of his graph. Okay. He walked from home to the shop at a constant speed in 10 minutes. And why I was shocked was because the first 10 minutes of the graph, this is not a straight line. If he's walking at a constant speed, then his distance would increase uniformly. It would be a straight line. In other words, I would have expected to see this. And what I see is a curve. Now the gradient of the curve is his speed. And his speed is constantly changing. So from 0 to 10 minutes, should be a straight line. Okay. He stayed at the shop for 5 minutes. And the distance hasn't changed at all from 10 minutes to 15 minutes, so that's correct. He walked home at a constant speed in 8 minutes. So from 15 to 23. Wait a minute, his distance, he's now 2 kilometres away from his house. No, because he should be back at his house, so he should be 0 kilometres away from his house. So this line should have gone from here to here, 23. So that's what it should have looked like. So this line is wrong. So I'll say from 15 minutes to 23 minutes should have a negative gradient. Yeah, that'll do, I think. Okay. You could have said that it should have gone from 1 kilometre to 0 kilometres. Or something along those lines. Words to that effect anyway. So his graph should have looked like this. Actually, let's use a different colour. So this is what his graph should have looked like. So that's what his graph should have looked like, and on black is what his graph actually did look like. the bit in black across the center, that is actually correct. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.